Hello buddies, so in this video we are going to see about how to make morph to polygons and we can convert those polygons. Okay, so that's what we are going to. So in last video we saw about how to make a polygon, how to make triangle, hexagon, so all those things we saw about. So in this one we are going to make morph the polygon. Morphing means from one shape to another shape we are going to convert it, and we can do the progress, whatever the progress we can make it any new shape with that. Otherwise compared to this we can do like that, and we can do animation with that also. Okay, so those things we are going to do right now. So actually pretty much explanation we gave in the last video, so that is fine. So I'm just going to continue with this thing, same thing. Okay, so I'll just uncomment this one and command this one. Okay, so uncomment and command this one, and this is fine. So this is full width. Okay, yeah. So what we are going to do first, I will let me show you how to do the morphing of two items. Okay, so morphing of two items we need to do. So first this is rounded polygon, so let me make it as a triangle. Okay, so let me make it as a this as a triangle. So I just made a triangle. Then I'm just going to make the same thing. I'm just copying and pasting, and this one as polygon. Okay, so I'm just polygon will be 6, I think so. By mistake means done. Okay, so then that is fine. So we don't need this round path actually. So instead of this, if you can't see visible like this. Okay, yeah, let me show you. Okay, so this round path we don't need. Instead of that we are going to take a morph. Okay, so morph in the sense, so I'll just show you, like we are going to morph. Okay, morph is equal to morph. Okay, so morph is a function. So what is morph means? We are converting one state to another state. We are changing that one shape to another shape. Okay, so morph will have two parameters, start and end. Okay, start round polygon and end round polygon. Okay, start will be like which one I need to start. We need to start from triangle to polygon or polygon to triangle, like that. Okay, so if I am triangle, okay, just give this parameter name triangle and polygon. Okay, so it is starting from the triangle and ending starting from the triangle and ends in the polygon. Okay, so now we are going to create from this polygon. I'm going to create this one. Okay, so for this morph I'm going to take process. So in this it is a morph, right? So we have to give the percentage. It's like a progress we need to give. So if it is like, what is that progress? Okay, progress 0.1 f. 0.5 f means it will be half. 0.1 f means it is a starting point. Okay, so this rounded polygon. So I'll just save it, and I'm just going to reload it. Okay, where is it? I'm just reloading. Let's see. So this one we can do it as a animated also. Animated means it will be infinite animation also. So that also we'll see in the video, same thing in the next one. So now you can see, so it is in the 0.1, like we are starting from triangle. So from the triangle it is trying to change to polygon. In the progress of that, in the 100 it is in the 10%. So if I gave here 0.5, so actually it will turn to it will fix it will take the fixed 0.5 place. Okay, so once it is run you can see it like so. In the turning phase it will be in a 0 point, so you can see it like so. It is a triangle, so it is trying to change to polygon, so we can see it here. So if I gave 1 means it will be a complete polygon. If it is a 0 means it is a complete triangle. So in the progress you can change anything in between over here. Okay, yeah, that is how this will be working. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I'm going to animate this process. It's like it is continuously translating from triangle to polygon to triangle, triangle to polygon to triangle. So it is going to continuously changing this one. So actually for animating this we are going to add few things in here. So it's like I'm going to create one infinitive transmission, infinite transaction. Yeah, same thing, infinite transaction. Remember infinite transaction. Okay, so we are going to take this remember state. Then we are going to take animated progress. Okay, animated progress. So it is nothing, like it is a progress state 0 to 1 and 1 to 3. Okay, so animated progress from the infinite state. Okay, infinite transaction dot animated float. Okay, so in this float, initial, target, animated scope. Okay, so initial will be 0f because 0f to 1 only, so target will be 1f. Okay, so then we are animated specimens, it is repeatable or non-repeatable, so all those things. Okay, so here we are going to give, I am going to give the repeatable. Okay, in the repeatable I am going to animate this one like tweak animation. So duration should be 2000 3000 we can give, but I'll give 1000 so it will be little faster. E-seeing. Okay, e-seeing will be, I'm giving linear easing. So those are all customizations. So based on your need, you can change it like that. For now, I am just finishing the process. I'm just giving, and I need to show some output, right? Repeat mode. So here only repeat mode. If it is a repeat mode, it needs to come from the starting or not. Okay. Repeat mode dot reverse or repeat mode dot restart. So I don't want to restart, it will be awkward, it will be converted to polygon and then it is suddenly changed to triangle and it is starting, means it will be awkward. So I am going to change it to reverse. Okay, it will polygon to triangle and it will like so. So just I am going to take this progress, and instead of this I'm going to give this animated progress. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll just run this application. So when it is running, so because animation, I don't think it will show, we can see it in a preview, but we can I think compose preview is not at stable to view the videos and animations through things. So I am just running and you can see the exact one over here. Okay, yeah, let's see. Yeah, so you can see it over here. So yeah, you can see the conversion of polygon to triangle, triangle to polygon, triangle to polygon, polygon to triangle. So these are the things, it's a major things, it's like just small fundamental changes, so animations, all those things. Okay, yeah, I think it's great, we have a good learning through these things, and like this thing we will get a future good videos about these things. Okay, yeah, thank you.